right, here are these 6-week-old little rascals. This is our Daisy and Brock litter. Okay, this is our... Right, here they are. This is our Daisy and Brock litter. They are 6 weeks old today. Thriving. Definitely not lacking in energy. This is our little boy. And then this is our little purple collar girl. For some reason the light purples always fall off the puppies. What's little Miss Independent doing over here? What are you doing over here, Missy? Hey, hi. You can hear Josh is out there training. Okay, I just realized I said the wrong color. This is little blue collar girl. Her collar is the one that fell off, not purple collar. It says blue collar. Blue collar / no collar. Little green, she's back at the shrubs. Our little yellow. Look at our little boy, happy as can be. Come on, you guys, come here. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, hi. It's so funny. They all definitely have a little independent side to them.